Hey guys, I'm Avail back again with another video. This time it's about three issues that some of the users, or I would say many users, have reported regarding Nokia phones, particularly Nokia 6.1 Plus and Nokia 5.1 Plus. So in this video, I'll be addressing those three issues and I'll give you some tricks that you can try, and if it helps, then do let me know. Even if it doesn't help, then do let me know so that I can find something else. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, then do the subscribe button, and if you've already subscribed, then as usual, a big thank you to all of you guys. So let's get started. So as I said, three issues. The very first thing is that the OTP message. Some of the users are facing this problem that they don't receive OTP messages. So that's really it's a kind of pain, right? You can't do online transactions, banking transactions, you can't do that without OTP, right? So I'll show you how to fix that problem. Next one is you were not able to find the block number, or you're also not able to, some of you are not able to activate calling, call waiting, right? So we'll be addressing these problems today. So let's get started with the first one. The first one is OTP. So it is because it may be possible that you have blocked some of the numbers, and that may be a reason. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all, go to your phone app. Okay, then check settings. Okay, then you have to go to block numbers. Now if you have any block number here, you just have to remove those. Okay, that's it. Now if it doesn't help, the next thing is that what you have to do, go to message app, in their setting. Okay, then here again you can see blocked contacts, right? So tap here. Now if you find any number here, just remove it and then give a try, and if it helps, then do let me know. The next step is that what you can do, you can clear the cache of the particular app. Okay, what I have to do, simply go to settings. Okay, and then where is it, apps and notifications. Okay, there you have these all apps, then these three dots, show system, and then find the messaging app. Okay, quickly, where is it, message, yeah, this one. Okay, then what you have to do, just storage and clear cache and clear storage. Okay, do this, and next thing what you have to do, force stop. Okay, and then after that you check this one. So if it helps, that's really good. Now the third step, if all these they are not working, then what you can do, you just have to press this power button, okay, here, and the volume up button. Okay, now for 20 seconds you have to wait, and you have to force restart. Okay, now that's done. Okay, clear. Now after that you have to see after the phone restarts, if the problem is gone, then it's really good. Otherwise, you have to look for something else again. Okay, but do let me know if it helps, then that will make me happy, or I'll look for something else if it is not working for you guys. Okay, that's it. You have to restart your phone like this. Okay, the next two issues are that some of you are not able to activate call waiting services, plus some of you are not able to find this option. If you open the phone app, then go to settings, and then you have this blocked numbers, right? Some of you are saying that you don't have this option. Now the tricks are same for both of these issues, and I've got these tricks from the My Phone app through the live chat with the Nokia support executive. So actually I was not facing these problems, so I haven't tried it on this phone. You just give a try. If you're finding this kind of problems, then do let me know. Okay, so what you have to do, open the phone app. Okay, now go to settings, then where is it, calling accounts. Okay, then whichever the number you want to activate call waiting service, tap that one. Okay, here you can find this additional settings. Then you have this option called waiting. Okay, now let it load the settings. It takes some time. Now here you can see that this option is already activated. Now if it is not activated, you should activate that, and once you go back, then again check this one, that it should be on. Okay, if it is getting off automatically, that there is a problem. Okay, that means the service is not activated. So what you have to do, okay, if it is not there. Now another problem is that that is about the call waiting. Now this is about the block number. Now here you can see that settings, then here this is the option which is there, blocked numbers. Now if you don't have this option, or if the call waiting option is not working, you have to do the same thing. First of all, you can do one thing, like what you have to do, tap here, okay, then app info here, okay, and then force stop this after clearing the storage. The same process that I showed you. Okay, clear the storage, clear cache, and then force stop. Okay, the another way of doing the same thing is that settings, okay, apps and notifications, all apps, then find the message app. Okay, where is it? No, phone app. Now you have to find the phone app. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Okay, the same thing. From here also you can do the same thing. Okay, now if it is not working, now another thing that you can do, you can reset all the apps preferences. For that, what you have to do, go to system, okay, then advanced, then reset options, and here you can find this option called reset app preferences. Okay, reset apps. Here you have to click here. Okay, that's it. This is what you can do. The next thing is that always check that by going to Play Store, always check that your phone app, okay, is actually up to date. Okay, it should be up to date. Here you can see that it is up to date. Okay, if it says that you have to update the app, so please do that first. Now if all these you try and after that it is not working, then you just have to do this force start as I have shown you earlier. Just press this power button and the volume up button for a few seconds. Okay, it may take up to 20 seconds, and if it happens before that, that's fine. You just have to restart the phone. Okay, and particularly the call waiting is something that some of the users are saying that it's working on their devices, and some of them are saying that it's not working. So if it is not working, it can be a problem with your carrier also. That means your service provider. So do contact them as well, so that they can also help you in this case. Okay, and all the tricks that I have shown you in this video, I have come to know all these from the chat app that we have. Let me show you that. Okay, where is it? My phone, this one. So here you can also do the same thing. Okay, just log in here and start the chatting with the Nokia support executive. Okay, you can do that. Okay, so if you have any problem also, you can report it through this. So this is something that you can do. Okay, this one, support and support chat. Here you can start here. Okay, so you have to add your name, email address, everything here, and after that you can start your chatting. So this is how I've got these tricks, and I believe that it will help you guys. And if it helps, then do let me know, and do subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos like this and we can help each other. So please share your opinions in the comment section. So till the next video guys, cheers.